Hey, what's up? So I picked this thing up for my car because it's actually a car that was manufactured in 2006. So it has the auxiliary cable, but it doesn't have Bluetooth. So I actually wanted to, be able to play Bluetooth in my car and connect my smartphone to my radio or listen to music. And so this is going to be pretty cool because it's going to be a transmitter for in-car adapter with Type-C that has 20 watts fast charging inside of it with the QC3.0 fast charging technology. It's also going to be wireless Bluetooth 5.0, which is going to be one of the latest models that you could pick up. And this is a car radio kit, hands-free call-in. You could play music. It has a hi-fi bass support, which is actually going to enhance the audio in your system a little bit more. But this is going to be cool because all you have to do is set the radio to a signal that's not really being used. And for me, it was 107.7. And so it could be something different for you. But the user manual comes inside the box as well, so you can easily set this thing up immediately. And so it's going to come with the Type-C port as well for fast charging. So basically, you're going to get 3 ports, two for USB-A and one for USB-C. And so this thing is going to be pretty solid. It's going to offer quick charging for your devices, but it's also going to be kind of a thick shape. So if you have a 2-slot adapter for your cigarette port, it's not going to fit on other one. Like it's kind of wide or whatever, but you can control your bass, your music, forward and back and volume up with the little green button. Then the red button is going to increase your bass, and then you get the LED support on the bottom left button, which is if you hold that for 5 seconds it can turn on the LED light. And this is going to be awesome because it's just going to improve your overall speakers. And you also do get a USB stick support up to 64 gigabytes on here. You can voice navigate because it has Bluetooth Google Assistant support. So you can also prompt Google Assistant by, I think, long pressing or something like that. But let me know what you guys think about this thing. I definitely think it's kind of improved my overall speakers. It has CVC lossless hi-fi microphones too. And so it's not going to be like bad when it comes to call quality either. But that's it for this video. But if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. Depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.